Easy statistics in under 3 minutes. Today, when to use t-test. You want to know if men or women score differently on stress? Use a t-test. You want to know who can eat more, big people or tall people? Use a t-test. 2 groups, 1 number? Done. Perfect. That's t-test. When should you use this test? When you can say yes to at least 2 things. 1. The dependent variable is numeric. Think stress, weight, age, GPA, or anything you can do math with. Think dependent variable. 2. You have exactly 2 groups. More groups, no t-test. 1 group, sometimes t-test, but normally not. 4 groups, no t-test. No groups, no t-tests. But before using t-test, you have to look at assumptions. Most of them you do not have to test, but there are 2 you want to look for. First, normality. Your data should be evenly distributed along your average. Want to check with test? Use Shapiro-Wilk. Second assumption, equal variances. The people in your group should vary in a rather similar way. We want to check for it? Use Levin test. Most software does it automatically. Just read the right row. When is t-test a big no-no? First, more than 2 groups. Use ANOVA instead. Second, less than 2 groups. You don't have any groups. No t-test. Quick rules when to use which t-test. 1. Where you have 2 groups with different people in it, use the independent one. 2. The 2 groups consist of the same people, use the paired one. 3. More than 3 groups, don't use t-test at all, use ANOVA. 4. If your data looks like this, don't bother with t-test, go with safer option like Whitney U. 5. If the groups are too small, look even further into the assumptions. If every group has more than 30 people, normally the t-test is a good choice. Okay, let's wrap it up. 2 groups, 1 numeric variable, that's the t-test. If you're not sure what test you should use, check the link down below. There you will find everything you need to choose the right one.